Hi students, welcome to the next session. In today's session, we will discuss problems in type 3. First one, evaluate integral x plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Okay. So according to type 3, first you need to follow the condition px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. Okay. Now in place of px plus q, I can take numerator x plus 2 is equal to capital A into d by dx of, in place of ax square plus bx plus c, I can take denominator 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b. Differentiate this. Now x plus 2 is equal to a into x square derivative 2x, 2x into 2, 4x, 6x derivative 6, constant derivative 0 plus b. This is equation 1. Okay. Next, then x plus 2 is equal to a into 4x, 4ax, a into 6, 6a plus b. This is constant. Compare coefficients of x and constant on both sides. Here x coefficient is 1, here x coefficient is 4a. So from this you can get a value is 1 by 4. Next, you compare the constant both sides. Here constant is 2. Here constant is 6a plus b. Now 2 minus 6a is equal to b. A value already we know. 2 minus 6 into a value is 1 by 4 is equal to b. Now 4 2 just 8. 8 where you can take 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to b, because 6 by 4 can be written as 3 by 2. If you simplify, 2 2 just 4, 4 minus 3, 1 by 2. Therefore, b value is 1 by 2. Finally, we got a and b. Substitute these a, b values in equation 1. From equation 1, left side value is x plus 2 is equal to a is nothing but 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6 plus b is nothing but 1 by 2. For this x plus 2, I am dividing both sides with 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Divide both sides with 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Okay, now divide left side. X plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Similarly, right side. 1 by 4 into 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus 1 by 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Now division over. Next, integrating on both sides. Now left side integrating, integral x plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. That equals to 1 by 4 constant, I will write outside. Integral 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx plus here 1 by 2 constant 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. So here to get this answer we need to find this integration and this integration. That's why I am taking the first integration is I1 plus the second integration is I2. I will find this I1 separately, I2 separately. After finding I1, I2, again I will substitute in equation 2. X plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. First, consider I1. I1 is nothing but this total integration of 4x plus 6 by this one. 4x plus 6 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. See, the derivative of denominator which is present in numerator. Why? Because 2x square derivative 4x, 6x derivative 6, constant derivative 0. It is in the form of f dash x by f of x. Already we know f dash x by f of x is nothing but log mod f of x. Here one constant will get, I am taking the constant is C1. So I1 value over. Next I am finding I2. I2 means this part. Integration of 1 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. This is nothing but type 1. Okay. In type 1, what is the denominator? We need to convert the denominator either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square perfect square. Okay. Now, listen. First, I2 is equal to 1 by x square coefficient 2 is there, that's why you take 2 common. Now you will get x square plus 3x plus 5 by 2 dx. Here by 2 is constant, 1 by 2 x square plus 3x. Here one value we need to add and subtract. Yesterday I gave shortcut method. To find add and subtract value, first you take the coefficient of x, next half of it, next square of it. Coefficient of x is 3, half of 3 is 3 by 2, square of 3 by 2 is 9 by 4. This 9 by 4 we are adding and as well as subtracting. So plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2. Okay. Instead of this, I can write a plus b whole square, and I am simplifying the last two values. What is the value? Minus 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2. Don't forget to take this symbol. Some students will take only these two, they will not take symbol. So symbol minus is there, that's why you take. Now LCM is 4. Then minus 9 plus 2 5 just 10, that is nothing but what? 1 by 4 is the simplification of the last two. Okay. Now listen. I2, it can be written as 1 by 2 into this total term can be written as a plus b whole square, that is nothing but x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 4. Again 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. Then I2 is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 by x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus this 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. Now it is in the form of integral 1 by x square plus a square. Okay. Then I2 is equal to 1 by 2 into formula 1 by 2a. A means what? A means nothing but here the value which is present, that is 1 by 2. So 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. X means how much? X plus 3 by 2. By a means what? 1 by 2 plus constant C2. Now if you simplify, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here you take LCM. I2 is equal to tan inverse of 2x plus 3 by 1 plus C2. So finally we got I1 and I2. Substitute I1 and I2 in equation 2. In equation 2, left side what is there? Integral x plus 2 by 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx is equal to right side 1 by 4 into I1. 1 by 4 into I1 value what? Log mod 2x square plus 6x plus 5. I am not taking constant. In place of C1 and C2 I am taking constant C. Plus 1 by 2 into I2 value, just now we got tan inverse 2x plus 3. Here constant C1 is there, here constant C2 is there. Sum of two constant is again a constant, that constant I am taking C. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, next question. It is also type 3. Integral x plus 3 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx. Here also I am applying same rule. Px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Okay. Now x plus 3 is equal to a into derivative of 5 0, derivative of minus 4x minus 4, derivative of x square 2x. Equation 1. Now x plus 3 is equal to minus 4a plus 2ax plus b. Compare coefficient of x and constant on both sides. Here x coefficient is 1, here x coefficient is 2a. Now clearly you will get a value is 1 by 2. Now constant is 3, constant is minus 4a plus b. From this you can write 3 plus 4a is equal to 3 plus 4 into a value is 1 by 2, that equals to b. 2 1 just 2 2 just cancel, 3 plus 2 that is nothing but 5. So finally we got a and b. Substitute a comma b in equation 1. In equation what is the value? X plus 3 is equal to capital A into minus 4 plus 2x plus b is nothing but 5. Next, dividing both sides with root of this term. Dividing both sides with under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square. Okay. Left side what is the value? X plus 3 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square. Right side what is the value? 1 by 2 into minus 4 plus 2x by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square. Plus next value 5 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square. Next, integrating on both sides. With respect to x. Now, integral x plus 3 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2 constant minus 4 plus 2x by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx plus 5 constant 1 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx. I am taking this is I1, this is I2. Then integral x plus 3 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx is equal to 1 by 2 into first integration value is I1 plus 5 into second integration value is I2. This is equation 2. Now we need to find I1, I2 separately. First I am finding I1. I1 is nothing but this one. Integral minus 4 plus 2x by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx. See, it is in the form of integral f dash x by root f of x. According to this formula, answer is what? 2 root f of x plus c. That is nothing but I1 is equal to 2 root f of x is nothing but 5 minus 4x plus x square plus constant is I am taking c1, I1 over. Next, we need to find the second integration, that is nothing but I2. I2 is nothing but this integral 1 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx. This is nothing but type 2. So, how to find this one by using type 2? Then I2 is equal to integral 1 by under root of, first I am taking x square, next I am taking minus 4x. Here 5 is there, this 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. Without adding and subtraction also we can easily get. But all questions you can't get like this. This 5 I can write 4 plus 1. This term can be written as a minus b whole square. That is nothing but I2 is equal to 1 by under root of x minus 2 whole square plus 1 square. Now it is which formula? 1 by under root of x square plus a square. That is nothing but log mod x, that is nothing but x minus 2 plus under root of x square plus a square plus c2. Now we got I1 and I2. Substitute I1 and I2 in equation 2. In equation 2, left side this one, integration of x plus 3 by under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square dx is equal to right side 1 by 2 into I1. 1 by 2 into I1 is nothing but 2 root under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square. I am not taking the constant, I will take last. Next 5 into I2. 5 into I2 is nothing but log of x minus 2 plus under root of x minus 2 whole square plus 1. Instead of the two constants c1, c2, you can take c. Now 2 gets cancelled. So this is the final answer. That is nothing but under root of 5 minus 4x plus x square plus 5 into log mod x minus 2 plus under root of x minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, next. Exercise 7.4. Okay. First question. Evaluate integral 3x square by x power 6 plus 1 dx. Okay. This can be written as 3x square by x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square plus 1 dx. Let x cube is equal to t. Substitution method. Differentiate with respect to x. X cube derivative 3x square dx is equal to dt. Send 3. So substitute this value in the question. I equals to integral 1 by t square plus 1 dt. We have direct formula 1 by 1 plus t square. I can write like this. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but tan inverse x. Finally, in place of t, substitute x cube. Then I equals to tan inverse of x cube plus C is a correct answer. Next, second question. Integral 1 by under root of 1 plus 4x square dx. Okay, that equals to 1 by under root of, you can take 4 common or you can take 2x whole square also. I will take 4 common. Now 1 by 4 plus x square dx. If 4 come to outside becomes 2. 1 by under root of x square plus 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. It is in the form of integration of 1 by under root of x square plus a square. We can apply log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. Next question. Third one. Evaluate integral 1 by under root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 dx. For this I am taking 2 minus x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Constant derivative 0, so minus dx is equal to dt. If you both sides multiply with minus, you will get dx is equal to minus dt. Now the question is change it to I equals to minus 1 by under root of t square plus 1 can be written as 1 square. Now it is in the form of 1 by under root of x square plus a square. That is nothing but minus log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. Finally, in place of t, you can substitute 2 minus x. Then I equals to minus log 2 minus x plus under root of 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c. That is the answer for third question. Next, fourth question, I am giving homework. Integral 1 by under root of 9 minus 25x square dx. You can take 25 common, you will get answer easily. So how you took 4 common in the inside? Similarly, inside you take 25 common. So 9 by 25 you will get, that is nothing but 3 by 5 whole square minus x square. Okay. Next, fifth. Evaluate integral 3x by 1 plus 2x power 4 dx. Okay. Now we will get integral 3x by, here you take 2 common, or you can write this is root 2x, 2 common I will take, 1 by 2 plus x power 4 dx. Now I can write a 3 by 2 constant outside. X by 1 by 2 plus x power 4 can be written as x square. Let x square equals to t. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x dx is equal to dt. Send 2 that side. X dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. Substitute this in the above condition. Already here 3 by 2 is there. Again 1 by 2 will get. Then 1 by, this 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by root 2 whole square plus t square dt. Now it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square. That equals to 3 by 4 into 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. That is nothing but 3 root 2 by 4 tan inverse of, here root 2 will go to numerator, root 2 into t plus c. Finally in place of t we can substitute x square. Now 3 root 2 by 4 tan inverse of root 2 into t value is x square plus c is the answer. Okay, next. Sixth question. Evaluate integral x square by 1 minus x power 6 dx. So this can be written as integral x square by 1 minus x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square dx. Let x cube equals to t. Whenever if you take is equal to t, immediately you need to differentiate. So x cube derivative 3x square dx is equal to dt. Then x square dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. Substitute this in the given question. Then given question I equals to 1 by 3 by 1 by, this 1 can be written as 1 square. This x cube can be written as t square. Now it is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square. That is nothing but 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. That is nothing but 1 by 6 log mod 1 plus t is nothing but x cube by 1 minus x cube plus c is the answer. Next, seventh question. Integral x minus 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx. Okay. Now you can divide separately. Integral x by under root of x square minus 1 dx minus 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx. So in this I can take, let x square minus 1 is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative 2x, constant derivative 0. 2x dx is equal to dt. Then x dx is equal to 1 by 2. Now this can be changed to 1 by 2 into 1 by root t dt minus 1 by under root of x square minus 1 square dx. What is the formula for integration of 1 by root x to root x? Actually constant will come, I am taking single constant, minus, it is in the form of 1 by under root of x square minus a square, log mod x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. Now here 2 gets cancelled. Finally substitute t value, that is under root of t is nothing but x square minus 1 minus log mod x plus under root of x square minus 1 plus c. Actually some students felt this is type 3. Type 3 also you can do, but compared to type 3 you will get answer like this easily. That's why I am doing general integration. Okay, next 8th question. Evaluate integral x square by under root of x power 6 plus a power 6 dx. Okay, now it can be written as integral x square by under root of x cube whole square plus a cube whole square dx. Now x cube equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. 3x square dx is equal to dt. Send 3 that side. X square dx is equals to 1 by 3 dt. Now the integral is 1 by 3 constant, I will write outside 1 by under root of t square plus a cube whole square. Now it is in the form of 1 by under root of x square plus a square. Then I equals to 1 by 3 log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square plus. In place of t you can substitute x cube. Then I equals to 1 by 3 log mod x cube plus under root of x cube whole square x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c is the answer. Next, 9th question. Evaluate integral secant square x by tan square x plus 4. I am giving this question homework, important, but you do it simple. You can take hint tan x is equal to t, simple question. For tan derivative is secant square, you will get answer easily, one step, dx. Next, 10th question. From 10th question onwards, they given type 1, type 2, type 3 questions. 10th question, type 1. Evaluate 1 by under root of x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. See, for some questions, no need to add and subtract. So this is simple. For difficult values only, you will get add and subtract that option. Okay. Now, this expression can be written as 1 by under root of x square plus 2x plus 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Now this can be written as a plus b whole square. Plus this 1 can be written as 1 square. It is direct formula, 1 by under root of x square plus a square. Log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c. If you want, you can simplify. Okay. So this is the answer for question number 10. Okay, next 11th question. It is type 1. Evaluate 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. See, this one I can explain in two methods, by taking 9 common, or we can convert this is in a perfect square. See, listen, 1 by 9x square plus 6x, this 5 can be written as 1 plus 4. Now this can be written as a plus b whole square, that is nothing but 3x plus 1 whole square plus 4 can be written as 2 square dx. Now here I am taking, let 3x plus 1 is equal to t. Okay, now differentiate. 3x derivative 3 dx is equal to dt. Now dx is equal to 1 by 3 dt. Now the question, I equals to 1 by 3 1 by t square plus 2 square 1 by x square plus a square formula, that equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Then I equals to 1 by 6 tan inverse of, in place of t we can substitute 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Here you can take 9 common now, you will get answer, but it is little lengthy and it is easy to find. Okay, next 12th question is important. 1 by under root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. This type 1 type 2 question directly question will not give, they need to prove the formula, attached problem also they will give. Okay, now how to find this? 1 by under root of, we will take minus common first, x square plus 6x minus 7 dx. Then 1 by under root of minus of x square plus 6x. Here one value we can add and subtract. So coefficient of x 6, half of 6 3, square of 3 9. So add 9, subtract 9. Already minus 7 is there. Okay, now integral 1 by under root of minus of, in place of first 3 we can write x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7 minus 16, that is nothing but 4 square. So to cancel this minus, these two values will be interchanged. 1 by under root of 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. Now it is in the form of 1 by under root of a square minus x square, that is nothing but sin inverse of x by a. Here you will get doubt, why can't you apply here formula 1 by x square plus a square? Why? Because here x coefficient is there, but here x coefficient is only 1. If x coefficient is only 1, we can apply direct formula, but here x coefficient is not 1, that's why you can use substitution method. Next, 13th question. Evaluate integral 1 by under root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. Okay, now it can be written as 1 by under root of, if you multiply this, x square minus 3x plus 2, type 2. Okay, now integral 1 by under root of x square minus 3x, here we need to add one value, subtract one value. Coefficient of x is 3, half 3 by 2, square 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 we need to add and 9 by 4 we need to subtract. Now integral 1 by under root of, this can be written as a minus b whole square, that is nothing but x minus 3 by 2 whole square. If you simplify minus 9 by 4 plus 2, that is nothing but minus 1 by 4. Again 1 by 4 can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by under root of x minus 3 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So 3 by 2. Now it is in the form of 1 by under root of x square minus a square. Log mod x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. That is the answer. Next, 14th question. I am giving homework. This is type 2. To try this, evaluate integral 1 by under root of 8 plus 3x minus x square dx. Same model. You can take minus common, add one value, subtract one value, same model you need to do. So this is 14th question. Okay. Next questions are type 3 questions. Totally we have main questions 6. I am explaining only two models. The remaining 4 I will give homework. Okay. Now question number 16. This is with root. One more I will explain without root. 4x plus 1 by under root of 2x square plus x minus 3 dx. First, px plus q is equal to a into, okay, you can do this question by type 3, but type 3 is lengthy. We have simple question. Let direct formula you can apply, or I can take 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to t. Differentiate 4x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. It is present in the question. Now the question can be changed to in by under root of t dt. 1 by root x, that is nothing but 2 root x plus c. Finally substitute t value. Or otherwise you can, 1 mark purpose, if you want you can use direct formula f dash x by under root of f of x, that is nothing but 2 root f of x also we can take. 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. So this is answer for 16. Next, 17th question. Integral 5x plus 3 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Okay. Now this can be written as px plus q is equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. Then 5x plus 3 is equal to a into x square derivative 2x plus 4x derivative 4 plus b. Okay. Then 5x plus 3 is equal to 2ax plus 4a plus b. Compare coefficients. And constant on both sides. First x coefficient is 5, here 2a. 5 equals to 2a. We can write a value is 5 by 2. Constant is 3. Here constant is 4a plus b. 3 minus 4a is equal to b. 3 minus 4 into a value 5 by 2, that equals to b. 2 1 jas, 2 2 jas cancel. 3 minus 10, that is minus 7. Okay. Substitute this a value, b value from equation 1. From equation 1 left side we have 5x plus 3 is equal to a is nothing but 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 plus b is nothing but minus 7. Now divide both sides with this value. 5x plus 3 I am doing directly by under root of sorry 5x plus b under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 is equal to 5 by 2 into 2x plus 4 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10, integrating on both sides. Now integral 5x plus 3 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx is equal to 5 by 2 into integral 2x plus 4 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx minus 7 constant 1 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Okay. Now I can take the first value is I1, second value is I2. Now integral 5x plus 3 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx is equal to 5 by 2 into I1 minus 7 into I2. Now I can find I1, I2 separately. First, consider I1 first. I1 is nothing but integral 2x plus 4 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. It is direct formula, integration of f dash x by root f of x, that is nothing but 2 root f of x, then 2 root x square plus 4x plus 10 plus constant c. Then I1 over next I am finding I2. I2 is this 1 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx. Now we can write 1 by under root of x square plus 4x. So here this 10 can be written as 4 plus 6. Now this can be written as a plus b whole square. X plus 2 whole square plus 6 can be written as root 6 whole square. Now it is in the form of 1 by under root of x square plus a square. Then I2 is equal to log mod x plus under root of x square plus a square plus c2. So finally we got I1 and I2. Substitute this I1, I2 in equation 2. In equation 2 LHS integral 5x plus 3 by under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 dx is equal to 5 by 2 into I1. Then 5 by 2 into I1 is nothing but 2 root x square plus 4x plus 10 plus here 2 gets cancel. Next to 7 in minus 7 into I2. Minus 7 into I2, just now we got log mod x plus 2 plus under root of x plus 2 whole square plus 6. So in place of C1 and C2 I can take constant C. So final answer is 5 into under root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log x plus 2 under root of x plus 2 whole square plus 6 plus C is the answer. Next I will explain 24, 25. After that the remaining type 3 questions I will give homework. 24th question, integral 1 by simple question x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. It can be written as integral 1 by x square plus 2x. This 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Now integral 1 by this can be written as x plus 1 whole square plus 1 dx. So we can write 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 whole square dx. It is in the form of integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is nothing but tan inverse x. But here in place of x, what we have? X plus 1. So answer tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. That is answer for 24th question. Next, 25th question is type 2. Integral 1 by under root of 9x minus 4x square dx. 9x minus 4x square dx. Now we can do 1 by under root of, I can take minus 4 common, x square minus 9x by 4 dx. Okay. Now 1 by the root of, the 4 come to outside becomes 2, minus is as usual. Now x square minus 9x by 4. For this we need to add one value, subtract one value. What is coefficient of x? 9 by 4. Add of 9 by 4, 9 by 8. Square of this 81 by 64. That's why I am adding 81 by 64. Subtract 81 by 64 dx. In place of this, I can write a minus b whole square. That equals to 1 by 2, 1 by under root of, I can write x minus 9 by 8 whole square minus this can be written as 9 by 8 whole square. If you multiply with minus, these two value will be interchanged. Then 1 by 2 into 1 by under root of 9 by 8 whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. It is direct formula 1 by under root of a square minus x square. That is nothing but 1 by 2 sin inverse of x by a. That is nothing but x minus 9 by 8 by 9 by 8 plus, if you take LCM, 8 gets cancelled. One more step I will write 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 8x minus 9 by 9 plus c is a correct answer for this question number 25. Okay. Next, the remaining type 3 questions, homework. Okay. Now question number 18, integral 5x minus 2 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1, same px plus q by method only. Next, 19th, integral 6x plus 7 by under root of x square minus 9x plus 20 dx. Next, 22, integral x plus 3 by x square minus 2x minus 5 dx. Okay. Now enough, these 3 questions you need to complete, then I will start the partial fractions method in the next session. Thank you.